Every single month on this YouTube channel, we do a $100 gift card giveaway to SpeakUpShop.com. Now, how do you enter? Well, it's easy. All you have to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, and just like that, you're entered. At the end of the month, I will choose a random subscriber to win the $100, so good luck to all of you guys. However, if you don't want to wait until the end of the month and you want to buy some cubes right now, then just use my discount code ENCODED for 5% off every SpeakUpShop order. Alright, let's get right here in the video now, shall we? Alright, what's guys, keep encoded, a different unboxing of the new Xingqiao Mr. M 6x6 and 7x7. So these are the newest big cubes from Xingqiao, and what makes them interesting is that they're extremely cheap. So right now in the SpeakUpShop, this 6x6 is $10, while the 7x7 is $12, so really good deals. However, the other thing about them that makes them really weird is that they are pillowed. I don't know why, I thought we were done with that like 4 years ago, but after seeing these cubes, I guess we're going to keep on going with it. So my expectations for these cubes aren't really that high, but I guess we're just going to unbox them anyways and see how they are. So this is the Mr. M 6x6, and there it is. So here is the cube, and just feeling it right now, it feels really small. It's actually like the same size as my MGC 6x6, but because it's pillowed, it feels a little bit smaller. Alright, let's just do some first turns now. I'm not really expecting a lot. Oh my gosh. As I said a couple times, I was not expecting a lot, but I did not expect it to be this bad. Jeez, we are just going all the way back to 2016 with these big cubes. Guys, on top of that, there's also a loose magnet inside here that's making it like really annoying to turn. Oh my gosh. Okay, this cube is... I can't really say it's very good. Alright, let me explain it a little bit more. So, like, in terms of speed itself, like, when everything's aligned, it's relatively easy to turn. However, the problem is that when everything is not aligned, it just doesn't turn. Like, okay, this is just one piece, and, hardly does it. And as for, like, the MGC, you can see one piece does it just like that. Like, okay, here's me doing a parity algorithm on my MGC. And then on this cube... Okay, I swear, like, using this cube would make me average just like 3 minutes on Super 6 again. Yeah, okay, I am definitely staying away from this one and staying with my MGC for now. Jeez, okay, I'm just trying to, like, solve this again, and it is the worst. Like, it has such terrible corner cutting that I feel like this is back in 2015 when cubes just were terrible. Oh my god, okay, yep, almost done. Please hurry up and finish solving. And it is finally solved. Okay, I'm just gonna throw that away for now. I am never going to be touching that. Yeah, overall thoughts on that cube, it was terrible. You know, turning was worse than the original pillowed Alfu that came out 5 years ago. Corner cutting was non-existent, the speed was okay, but overall it was just really heavy, and yep, it was a terrible experience to turn. Alright, next, now we're gonna take a look at the 7x7 version. So if the 6x6 version was that bad, then I don't know what to expect with the 7x7. Maybe this will surprise me, you know, maybe I'll be pleasantly surprised by how good this turns. Okay. So this basically looks like the exact same cube as the 6x6, you know, really similar. It's also pillowed just like the 6x6, and okay, let's do some first turns. Yeah, the 7x7 turns worse than the 6x6. Okay, so let me just like try doing a T-perm. Okay, so like it's super slow, the corner cutting is terrible, like the fluidity is not there. On top of that, if you're trying to just turn the outer layers, they're so tiny because the cube is pillowed that like you could hardly even grip it. On top of that, there's like a big spring noise going on inside there. Yeah, okay, this is like the same story as the 6x6. I'm really not enjoying this. Wow, okay, I'm just like shocked right now because like for the most part, all these cubes I've been unboxing lately have been like really good. Like for example, the Mofeng Jiaoxi Meilong was amazing, the MFDRS was amazing, the Gan Megamix was almost perfect, the MGC 6x6 almost made me fall in love. However, these cubes are really just taking me back to like 4 years ago when cubes were just really not that good. And wow, what even is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on, let me pick up the Stickerless that I threw. The best thing that I could do to describe these cubes is that they're basically Stickerless V cubes. Yep, that's really all I have to say. Like, I've definitely felt V cubes better than this. And okay, hold on. I feel like I'm being so mean to Xingqiao right now. Like, okay, obviously I don't know how to design a cube, and if I did try, I would probably make it way worse than this one. So, you know, like, I'm really impressed by how they're able to even make a 7x7. That being said though, compared to the top cubes on the market, it doesn't even come close. So, you know, I don't really see any reason to buy these cubes. Despite the fact that they may be really cheap and affordable, do not get these. Just get something like an MFDRS 3 or something. Alright, so anyways, that's my unboxing of the new Xingqiao 6x6 and 7x7s, aka the Stickerless V cubes. If you like what you saw, make sure to give me a like and subscribe. That's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.